Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best multi-cutting tool is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable gadgets you can have in your home or workshop, capable of tackling a wide array of tasks from intricate crafting to heavy-duty repairs with its array of interchangeable blades and functions, making it an essential item for DIY enthusiasts, homeowners, and professionals alike who value efficiency and precision in their projects. Number 5. DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Tool Kit. Introducing the DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Tool Kit. This powerful cordless multi-tool is designed for efficiency and control on any job. With a 3-speed selector, you can easily match the tool's speed to your specific application. This ensures optimal performance for every task. Experience up to 57% more runtime thanks to its advanced brushless motor. This means you can work longer and more efficiently without interruption. The dual-grip variable speed trigger provides ultimate control over speed and application. Achieve precise cuts and adjustments with ease. Our quick change accessory system allows for fast and tool-free changes of blades and attachments. Spend less time switching and more time working. A bright LED light illuminates dark work surfaces, ensuring accurate cutting even in low light conditions. See your work clearly, every time. This kit includes the tool, blades, battery, and charger, all backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Get started on your projects with confidence. What we like. This tool offers extended runtime thanks to its brushless motor. If you're looking for a reliable power tool for various DIY projects and need precise speed control for different applications, this is a great choice. Its LED light ensures visibility in dimly lit areas, making it suitable for detailed work. What people say. The brushless motor delivers excellent power and efficiency, making it easy to cut, sand, scrape, and handle a wide range of home improvement tasks. The 3-speed selector provides great control depending on the job, and the tool runs smoothly even at higher speeds. The LED light is a big plus, especially when working in tight or low light spaces. The variable speed trigger adds precision, and the overall build quality feels solid and professional. This excels when it comes to making plunge cuts into things while minimizing cutting into things behind what you're cutting out. There's also an optional depth guide that can be purchased to further mitigate cutting material you're trying to avoid cutting into. Number 4. 17-in-1 Multi-Tool Knife. Discover the ultimate convenience with this all-in-one multi-tool. It packs 17 essential functions into a single, portable device, ready for any task. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel, this tool is built to last. Its robust construction ensures reliability, while the rust-resistant coating keeps it in top condition. Don't let its size fool you. This lightweight tool is designed for portability, making it easy to carry on all your outdoor adventures. It's perfect for survival situations and everyday needs. Experience comfort and control with its human-engineered, non-slip handle. Designed for one-handed operation, it fits perfectly in your hand for safe and efficient use. Looking for a gift that impresses? This multi-tool is an ideal present for men who love the outdoors, survival, or simply appreciate a versatile gadget. It comes in a gift box, ready for any occasion. What we like. This compact multi-tool knife is packed with 17 different functions, including essential survival tools like a fire starter and window breaker. If you are an outdoor enthusiast, camper, or someone who values preparedness, this is an ideal companion for your adventures. It's also a fantastic gift for men who appreciate practical and versatile gadgets. What people say. The tool is very powerful and cuts through various materials with ease. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and operate for extended periods. It comes with a variety of attachments that significantly expand its functionality. Number 3. LEILUO 158 PCS Multi-Tool Blade Kit. Meet your new essential multi-tool blade kit, designed for efficient cutting and grinding. It handles everything from daily tasks to precision work with ease. Experience superior wood cutting with our Japanese teeth blades. They offer enhanced sharpness and durability for a smoother, faster cut. Tackle deep cuts effortlessly with the unique semicircular titanium-coated blade. Its design ensures stability and better conformity to surfaces. Achieve perfect results with built-in scale marks on the blades and sandpaper. They guide you for more precise cutting and polishing. Keep your workspace tidy with the included reusable storage bag. It helps organize your blades and saves valuable toolbox space. Our blades feature a universal interface, compatible with most major oscillating tool systems. Enjoy broad compatibility with your existing tools. What we like. This set provides a wide array of oscillating tool accessories designed for efficient cutting and grinding. If you need versatile blades for various materials and appreciate organized storage, this kit is perfect for you. Its universal interface ensures compatibility with many existing tools, making it a great addition to your toolkit. What people say. Every blade, scraper, pad, and adapter fit my Ryobi PCL 430B perfectly with zero wobble, so I could swap accessories in seconds and jump right into the work. The semicircular blades glide smoothly along contours, the T-coated blades power through framing nails, and the sanding pads grip securely for uniform finishes. One of the best things is the clear marking to show the material the blade is for in-depth measurement for precision. Number 2. Dremel MM50-01 Multimax Oscillating Tool Kit. Introducing the Dremel MM50-01 Multimax Oscillating Tool Kit. Experience a robust design engineered for low vibration, giving you superior control for precise and clean cuts every time. Its front end is 30% more compact, allowing you to easily access tight, hard-to-reach spaces where other tools simply can't go. The exclusive angled body design significantly improves control, especially when performing flush cuts. Coupled with its powerful 5-amp motor, it tackles even the toughest jobs with ease. With the highest 5.0 amp motor in its class, it delivers professional performance. It's perfect for demanding tasks like cutting door jambs, trim, and baseboards. Changing accessories is a breeze with the Toolless Easy Blade Change system. Simply twist the knob, push down, and insert your desired accessory. Enjoy the versatility of variable speed control. This kit includes a storage bag and 30 accessories for cutting and sanding a wide range of materials like wood, drywall, and metal. Work without restriction thanks to the 7-foot durable rubber cord, providing a generous working range for all your projects. What we like. This oscillating tool boasts a powerful motor and a compact front end for superior maneuverability in tight spaces. If you're tackling tough jobs that require precision and control, especially in hard-to-reach areas, this tool is designed for you. Its low vibration operation ensures a comfortable and accurate user experience. What people say. The tool is very versatile and can handle a variety of tasks. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it great for extended use. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 1. Performance Tool W2045 3-in-1 Multi-Power Cutting Tool. Introducing the Performance Tool W2045, your versatile solution for various cutting tasks. It conveniently combines an anvil cutter, wire cutter, and box cutter into one easy-to-use tool. Equipped with heat-treated and hardened carbon steel blades, this tool makes light work of tough materials. Effortlessly cut through leather, tubing, automotive belts, and hobby items with precision. Tackle wires and nails with ease thanks to the titanium-coated wire cutter. It efficiently trims copper, aluminum, and soft steel wire up to 7 mm, and even nails up to 4 mm. The retractable anvil exposes 3/8" of the blade, perfect for precise cutting of boxes, carpet, drywall, and more. Enjoy enhanced control with every use. Designed for comfort and convenience, it features a slip-resistant grip for secure handling. Plus, 3 extra blades are conveniently stored right in the handle. With a generous 1-to-1/4-inch jaw capacity, this multi-cutter is ready to handle a wide range of cutting jobs. What we like. This multi-cutter combines 3 essential tools into one convenient design, featuring a sharp anvil cutter and a titanium-coated wire cutter. If you need a versatile tool for cutting through various materials, from thick leather to wires and nails, this is an excellent option. Its compact nature and integrated blade storage make it a practical choice for everyday tasks and quick fixes. What people say. I use this every day to cut thick plastic and it does the job phenomenally. The cuts are very smooth. They cut hose and plastic line nice, square and clean, they're easy to grip and easy to use, and don't leave the little bit hanging like other cutters I've used. Blade is super sharp and long-lasting. Cuts sharp and easily. Looks great too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.